Okay, today is September 11th, and I contacted Zippo and asked them to make up a special lighter for me to remember this day. Let's see what they sent me. Now this Zippo arrived in the normal black box, and it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. And it says on the label, "Don't dial 911. So here is the Zippo they sent me. It says, "I don't dial 911. And there's the reason why. 911 usually takes between 2 and 10 minutes to get to your location, if they get there at all. If you're way out in the country, you can forget about it." So this Zippo is on a street chrome case. It's got really good stampings on it. And it looks like it was made in G of 17. I think that's July. Fires up nice. Got a good sound. Steel insert. Let's do a drop test on this 911, or I don't dial 911 Zippo. So there's the I don't dial 911 Zippo passing the drop test nicely. And it definitely deserves a little cowbell, but it also deserves a trophy. I don't dial 911. Knuckle bump.